Gongura leaves help to lower the blood pressure with their high potassium and magnesium content. In fact, it has a remarkable ability to lower the bad cholesterol or low density lipoproteins LDL levels and increase the good cholesterol or high density lipoproteins HDL levels in the body. First, remove the leaves from the stem. Wash the leaves thoroughly and dry them with a cloth and keep it aside. Let us now see what are the ingredients required for making Gongura Tokku. Red chilies 25 to 30 numbers. Fenugreek seeds 1 tablespoon. Mustard seeds powder 2 teaspoons. Asafoetida 1 teaspoon. Gingerly oil 1/4 cup. Mustard seeds 2 teaspoons. Salt as required. In a pan, add little oil. Now add red chilies. Fry them well. Remove the chilies and now add fenugreek seeds and fry till they turn red in color. Add mustard seeds powder. Fry it a little. Add asafoetida. Fry till we get roasted aroma. Finally, add the salt and fry to remove the moisture from it. Put again a few teaspoons of oil. Add the Gongura leaves and saute it well till they become dark in color. Now switch off the flame. Add the fried ingredients to a mixer jar and grind it to a fine powder. Remove half the quantity of the powder and keep it aside. Now add the Gongura leaves to the powder in the mixture jar and grind it to a coarse paste. Add 1/4 cup of gingerly oil to the pan and heat it. Put the mustard seeds. After it splitters, add the Gongura paste and salt it till the oil gets mixed up well. Now taste it. If you feel you need more spice and salt, add the remaining spice powder and salt also. You can add few teaspoons of oil too if required. Now spicy, tasty Gongura Tokku is ready. If you like this program, hit the like button, give your comments in the comments column, and share our programs with your friends. Thank you.